Yeah. Hey, my new nannians. Today we are doing how to load a dishwasher properly. Wait, Daddy, where is your thingy, my bob? Never mind. I found it. So we're going to load a dishwasher properly. It's gonna be fun. So there's that. And let's go. So you put your lights on. So let's see. Alright. That would be a good view. Alright, hold on guys. I'm gonna do this channel stuff. Is it okay? See me? Tell me in the comments below, like and subscribe and stuff. So first what you're going to do, you're going to open dishwasher. See that this is empty. Well, first you need to put your glasses in the top. Is this dirty? Yes. Put it in. It's not dirty. Don't put it in. Like that cup. This is you know, just keep on loading, and you really gotta dig for the stuff you need. Sometimes you just don't have it, but dig deep, you find it. Now, look, see, I was looking for more cups. Yeah. Cup Central. So that's like 8 a.m. here. Sucks. So I'm just trying to put you guys back. No. Minions. It's fine. It's not. Alright, minions. Let's do this. Alright, so. Daddy, see those peeps again. Put that in there. There's no more room over here. Go to this side of the washer and load it. What you want to do is go to cups galore over here. There. Good. I broke something. Don't want to know what. Okay. So you can see it's looking just fine. Oh, no. Meow, meow, meow. By the way, we have like little kittens and stuff for sale, so we have like a lot of cats for sale, so oh, she farted on me. Anyway, if you want to buy a cat, no problem. We might be giving them away for free. But if you want a kitten, you gotta take all 3 of them because they're like inseparable. But literally, if they're separated, they'll like try to find each other and stuff. So just gotta go over here, put this last one, and right here's where you can like put little snack bowls. But as you can see, not really at the moment. So I guess it's just like I don't know what to do with that now. But over here, you got the spatula. You put it here. Okay? Then you just set the turkey for confidence. Alright. Then you really nothing else to do. So toddler complete. Now time to go to the bottom there. Now here you want to get your big stuff on there. Sometimes if you can't fit your big stuff, it's fine. Just hand wash them or something. If you're lazy, get your parents to do it. Alright, so look at that. Oh, look at that, guys. I made eggs this morning. Ew. So yeah, you just want to really like put these in the back. It's okay putting them in the front, but it'll be better if you put them in the back. And look, so like plate in front of that. See, plate. Put it right here. Basically, you just want to keep on doing this, and this can go like that. Something. Now to move on to the bowls. So bowls, you want to put in this. I fit it right perfectly. Hope I don't have mute on. Alright, this bad boy, you don't want to watch this. So yeah, gotta put that there. Alright, and now you gotta just that there. Okay, just gotta put that there. We're trying to fill this up as much as possible. You know that's gross. Alright, see if we can fit one more small one in there. Or yeah, get the saucer in there. And up here we got a little more room for big things. I've been traumatized. Okay, put that in there. Put that in there. Okay, and just get this over here. And then voila. Voila, we're done. Bye. I'm joking. Still gotta do the most important thing. Silverware rack. It's like my favorite part. So yeah, take this, put silverware in it, basically. So you go around, just find silverware. It's kind of like an Easter egg hunt. I like to play it, so yeah, it's like really fun. So, ha! Ooh, dastardly fork. Alright. So, right now we are on the hunt. Might be some goody goodies in here. Right. You don't want to get too many a slot, but you don't want to get too less a slot. Here, I'm coming over here to Unananians to find this little troublemaker. Peanut butter knife. So you want to get about like 4 or 5 little basket. So yeah, you want to like look around for them and stuff. So yeah, just go back over here, strike that turkey. Oh, and guys, I know my videos are boring, but just get optimistic about them, and I'll try to figure out how to add music. I don't know. Heck, there might even be music in this one. So I need to figure out how to like get that getting. Alright, so you really just like look around for stuff. And I wish I had, you know, money to actually buy stuff, so coming soon, not good quality, but a Minecraft Let's Play. My brother. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be like really, really, really low quality. Join the fun! Alright, so hopefully this hasn't gone off. Let me check. Still on? Alright, we're still on. We're good. So yeah. I might like use this to vlog and stuff. So yeah, like every time I do something cool, I'll do it. That's enough of that. We gotta finish this. keep on looking around for stuff. Can't find any more things, that's fine. Indians. Here. Oh. Okay. So there are none. So, guess where we gotta go? Whoop, traveling. We're traveling. Traveling. Daddy, is there any silverware? Yeah. No, there's no silverware, so we're ready to go. Yay! So guys, I'm sad. Sorry, but this is almost the end. But I got a little surprise for you at the end, guys. See this coffee right here? Chug a cup of it. And of course, I'm gonna add spices and stuff to it. But I'm just chug it, and let's see what happens. Alright, so literally, you just gotta pop that puppy in. Just gotta like pour that in there, stuff. Like do that. Make sure to get it clean. Oh, I have to shut that baby. And you gotta shut this. Have a washer like you do. Shut that. And voila, you're started. But it is time for the coffee challenge. Alright, so basically, just get a cup of coffee. And I want other YouTubers to do this too. I mean, this could go.
Making a video.
Maybe. I actually figured out how to upload it to YouTube. So, get a cup of coffee. Add a good solid rock of sugar. Oh yes, tea crumpets. Alright. Like more, that's fine. I like more of mine actually. Then gonna get your creamer. Get some creamer here. It's on back. Oh, shout out to you two for like being there for me. Drinking some teams. So yeah, big shout out to them. Big shout out because I'm probably getting paid for this. Hope you guys can actually hear this. Pour a little more coffee in there. Alright guys, look at this. Oh wait, you can't really see it, but you ready guys? You gotta hold it above my head. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, no. Ugh, it's gotta cool down a bit. So, fast forward. So guys, it's finally cooled down enough to where I can drink it. So, 3, 2, 1, go. I'm like a baby. So guys, I am so sorry. That's the end of this video. I'm so sorry, but you guys are awesome. Bye. High five.